Yep, we back. September 11th. We are back. And you already know we here to talk about these Australian dollar markets like we do every Sunday, besides the ones we missed. Now, before we go into all these major details, we're going to look at the bigger picture and open up the daily. For one, so I can set my high low for the previous day. But nonetheless, just to point out where we are right now, one of the major things that did happen over the past week or two was we did take out one of the stronger initial swing highs that happened around mid-July back on the 4 hour. Right here. This area right here. We basically closed below that zone. It's right here. It's 68 flat. So 68 flat was that initial swing, the big initial swing that we saw. I mean, this was one too, 67, 34, but strong and defined as a true swing, like I see this one. I mean, it is a true swing, but we had a little bit better structure with that. And that got broken right about here on this candle, September 1st. That was like on I think that was a Tuesday. And then we consolidated from that point. Then we broke down as if we were going to attack the low from the low of the year, the old low of the year from July 14th. And as you can see with that dotted line, we did not hit that. We did not break that low. So price needs to continue higher to grab any type of liquidity that it can, take out any type of strong sales to stop losses that rest above here and above here, to then turn around and sell into that low if that's what it's trying to target. Since then, since we attacked that, and you can see on the 4 hour, this was on Friday right here, Thursday. Oh no, that was Wednesday, then Thursday. So September 9th. I know basically that's Thursday, that's Wednesday. Okay. So Wednesday, we saw a bounce. It created a low. I mean, if you're looking at it from the 4 hour and maybe on a daily, I can't say if it's really a double bottom. I wouldn't call it a lower high, any kind of bullish pattern per se, because we didn't take out these highs. That's the highs on a daily that we're looking to attack, the 72.70. Nonetheless, we created a double bottom. That is a strong sign for a lot of bullish price action. And from that lower bottom, we saw a big push on the last day of the week, which was on Friday. And 4 hour, you can see it a little bit better. You see that rejecting these lows. Has some consolidation right here early on Thursday, and then into Friday, we continue bullish. Now that we are in some validation, above this and below here, so we want to break out and close above 68.55, and then we want to close below 68.25. So that's a 30 pip differential between the two price levels that we need to see broken before we can enter trades. But last week was a great week. I mean, nonetheless, catching buys. I made a cool, damn near almost double my account right in this little move just from this breakout. And I missed this whole continuation. So it would have been epic if I would have held. But it was good nonetheless.
What's up, brother?
What's up, my boy?
Chilling,
You
chilling.
already know. Locked and loaded.
Welcome back. Good to be back.
Yeah. So, yeah, looking at the hourly, you can really see a lot of structure being broken and created. It was a strong rejection from this low. It created a double bottom on the daily. This is like a Tuesday morning. We broke structure to the downside. We thought we was going to continue, which we did. Had a nice little sell-off, but I thought it was going to attack the old low of the year from July 14th, but we didn't get that low. Kind of created another double bottom, hint, on a 1 hour, and then it pushed higher.
Yeah.
We had a lot of news events that helped with all this bullish price action, but nonetheless, from creating that double bottom on the daily, we've had a strong rejection, and now we're starting to see signs of bullish structure and price action on the smaller time frames. But we can't really call it bullish until we really break a nice little piece of structure on the daily, which the best price is 71.40. So we got to close above there, then we can start calling daily as far as the trend shift. It'll be here to have more confirmation going up that high. 4 hour. I would say the same, but 4 hour you get an early entry on that if we do start to attack the 69.90 levels. A little double top situation. Got some liquidity above there because we didn't break this initial swing low from this high. So I would say 70.10 to 69.90. That's a good little zone to be looking at enter buys to potentially take out one of these important highs on the daily up here at 71.40. So if we break down to the hourly, I was looking at me on this chart, looking at a whole week's worth of time and price action. We are at a high right now, so I wouldn't be surprised if we get a sell-off to eat up some of this clean traffic and then create another push higher. Who knows? It may continue going bullish again like it did on Friday, on Thursday. That was real telling. Let me set my highs and lows on this previous daily. Let's see, 1 hour. That's the old low. That's the old high. We got that coming up. We already locked in. Tap that in. Morning. And we basically just consolidating. I'm looking for a breakout here. Below here. Like to see it break and close. Mm, 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 mm. But yeah, man, like I said, that was pretty much why you see this strong bullish candle on the daily, because we did create a double bottom. We did reject a strong, now considered a very strong support, being that it didn't break it. We just rejected all that from July 14th. So don't have the best clean traffic to buy into, but we should at least attack the 78, 68, 75 area. Try to attack those highs, and
Yeah, I like that
maybe we
move.
can break higher. Yeah. Maybe we can break higher than that, and fill in this wick right here. Who knows? But I do, yeah, if we do break out of this consolidation on the 1 hour, then on the daily, it pushes the bullish price action higher, and we create structure. I do like this target overall up here, right up in there.
Yep.
I do like that. That's a nice little area. Change
And
that
you
color.
can really tell by looking
Green.
on the weekly
Let's see.
and
See what
see
that
where
weekly
that and
looking
see
like.
where that is.
Huh? Yeah. Yeah. It's a nice little area.
Yeah.
Nice little area. Only thing we just like this wick did get filled to the downside, I would like to see the same rejection from that. Like, meaning I wouldn't want to see price action try to fill this weekend. If it tries to fill this weekend, then that's possibly the bearish continuation we're gonna see for the rest of the
Yep.
year. Possibly. But we got a nice rejection on the week from here. Engulfed the whole previous week. So this was really the move. I mean, we had a nice engulfing here, but a strong impulse week and then another strong bearish impulse week. And kind of been staying in this little range right here until we 100% break out.
Yep. Just let it, let the candles form, man. It can do
Oh yeah.
anything. Let
Oh
them,
yeah.
let them play out. But looking at the weekly, how the weekly close and the daily, the previous daily, yeah, I'm definitely
Mm-hmm.
looking more bullish right as of right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
100% agree. Hold on 1 second.
Uh,
Yeah, yeah, yo. I'm back. I'm back.
All right.
Take a look at see what we got coming up on the news.
Sure.
Anything exciting? See what kind of week we're gonna have. Got some consumer confidence tomorrow evening. All Australian news. Tuesday got inflation rate year on year.
Oh boy, that's gonna be a big.
Core inflation rate year on year.
Yeah, no, that's gonna be big. And CPI. Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
And Wednesday we got PPI, unemployment rate, employment change on Wednesday evening. Thursday you already know. We got Thursday evening new home sales for Australia. On Friday, Michigan consumer sentiment. Damn, it's gonna be a busy week.
Yeah, man. If you yeah, I think
Tuesday will be a good day to wait to see
yes,
what the market does to try to
yes,
catch a move.
yeah. Sit your butt down somewhere. If you do trade, like it'll be like a, I'm putting orders in
Mm-hmm.
because it's gonna jump.
Right. Yeah, that inflation rate gonna be crazy.
Hmm. And what time does that come out?
7:30.
Oh yeah, yeah, that'll be something.
Previous was 5.9. That's high as hell.
Hmm. So keep on going higher. Like that's like almost an easy trade for most people.
Yeah.
We all know, the deal with inflation. We should. It's gonna be going on for at least 2 years.
Right. And that's a good segue to talk about the hedging certain pairs in the background while we day trade and swing Australian dollar.
Yeah, you're talking like weekly, daily,
Yeah.
weekly setups. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
So
Like I said, what really stuck out was the UJ on the basically on the weekly. And like realizing knowing what they're doing, in other continents and other countries versus ours, like I mean, looking at it now, it's a no brainer
yes,
to catch this weekly move on this chart. So yeah, just to have a small account size to just open up, breakout trades on the weekly or retests or wick fills, stop loss runs and catch buys at the bottom, all type of shit like that we can see forming on the daily and the 4 hour, and then you catch that midweek
yeah,
type shit, you know. Like I'm pretty sure this buy would have been sweet, catching it on the 1 hour or the 4 hour,
true,
just riding it out, holding. But nonetheless, I mean, I really didn't scan a lot of them, but I was scanning the major ones just to see what was the reaction from what happened with the Queen and whatnot. I thought it was gonna be some British pounds
oh yeah, that's true.
jumping, going crazy, but it was nothing. Like it was dead as hell. But yeah, nonetheless, boy, last week, definitely my best week so far this year.
Wow, that's what's up.
Yeah, man. Just from overall following the rules and holding through drawdown, as a drawdown that was expected.
Yeah,
Overall, just doing what I'm supposed to do.
yep. And now most of that was just being patient and waiting for that to happen. And
Mm-hmm.
yeah, it was perfect. It worked out really nice. Yeah, last week was amazing.
Yeah.
But you go get those weeks if you on it. You know what I'm saying? Like if you're on top
Nah,
of things.
facts.
You
And
know,
I'm definitely on it.
yeah. When you see things that's not as probable or something, and it goes your way, and that's why I always say set it. Set that take profit or the stop loss at break even. If you at like a good area, but you think you can get a little bit more, that's cool.
Yeah.
It can go up, but it can also come back down and take you out or go on drawdown if you're not, if you're still stuck in that trade. That's why it's like with them break evens, and not only it's almost like a new game, you know,
Yeah.
instead of
Like a
just sitting.
reset.
Yeah, it's like a quick reset. It's like, oh, okay, stop me out. Might could get right back in, or wait till the hour close and really see, or if it's out of your time, like if that was the last hour of your trading session, then you're done for the day.
Big facts. With
Like
no
so,
losses.
no losses.
That's
So,
what's good about that, yeah.
or if anything is super small, like you're gonna make that back and then some, the next session or the next opportunity. And if not that, you're still gonna have a short, what I'm saying, a tight loss, or just cut it short if you see it not working out. You know when it's not working out. You
True.
know.
And typically that break even will not only happen more often than consolidation, but it'll get you out of the trade so you won't be in those trades where you, like, say for instance, like the consolidation you see on the 1 hour. If you bought in the middle of that zone and every 3 hours you in profit and then every 3 hours you in drawdown because you're
Uh-huh.
just stuck in the middle of consolidation.
Yep.
A break even trade will get you out of that,
True.
you know, and you could just take a step back and look at it for what it is. Like, oh damn, this is a consolidating market. I should wait for a breakout. So this is easy. Now I can go do what I need to do
Exactly.
because I'm waiting now.
Yep. That's it.
Mm-hmm. How everything been going in New Orleans?
It's been good, man.
That's what's up.
Yeah, it's been good.
I talked to T. Karen not too long ago. She said she was down there.
Yeah, man. We did a little Zoom with Dad and them, and
I know, and he had tell me everything about it, but I didn't realize in the chat on the text message he sent it to just us.
yep,
I didn't know. I thought it was like the whole family.
yeah, But yeah, I saw that they was over there or whatever. She said she had something going on with her insurance business.
Mm-hmm.
So I was like, oh, that's what's up.
The Primerica.
Hmm.
Yeah, this is very slow moving Sunday,
Yeah,
which
that's why Sundays are, not even tradable
usually we
days.
get them. Yeah, usually we get them days where we be doing something, but well, not usually. Sometimes.
You know,
So usually it's slow like this.
most people, the big people that really know what they're doing. Sundays is, what I'm saying, it is what it is. Like what we do, it's analysis. Something might happen,
Right.
you might play with it, but for the most part, it's just to get your mind right for the week.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you can honestly do this Saturday. You could do it Friday right after they close, because the
Real
market could
talk.
pretty much be the same.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, man. We just decided to do ours on Sunday until we switch it up.
Right. Which that's great you brought that up because I was just low key kind of thinking about that in the back of my head.
Hmm.
What will be the best transition next?
What you mean for analysis?
Mm-hmm. Like Monday, midweek.
I actually like Sunday.
Yeah, I like
I
Sunday
like
too.
Sunday, but
But you actually get to do analysis when the market is
true.
open.
But I think once we are weekly, as far as like going live weekly, then that'll be it. You know what I'm saying? We probably wouldn't even have to do anything. Just,
True that.
little bonus clips or something like that. But yeah, once we transition to doing it weekly, then it's like, you're getting that every day of the week while the markets is, jumping.
Yeah.
So
And truth be told, at that time, analysis really ain't gonna take that long per se.
no, it's gonna be super quick. I mean, even right now, we know
Yeah,
what's
yeah.
going on.
We do it for an hour just to give enough content and enough dialogue to talk about things in last week. But yeah, when you're doing the daily in the morning, shit, 15 minutes, if that.
Right. Like our charts are it's different colors, but our areas are marked the same. And I signed on after you. I did this like, I don't know, around 4 o'clock or whatever this evening. It's the same levels we have marked.
Come on,
So it's like, it gets to the point where you know what's going on. Just wait. Just wait.
can't stress it enough, man.
Yep.
Patience is the key.
Yep.
Go through a million YouTube and Google posts, you gonna hear that word come up a million times.
Yep. Patience, wait, discipline.
Mm-hmm. And whenever we find the right time to set up that position trading account, we'll do so.
Yeah.
Throw a little change in there and really put that our knowledge to action because it's gonna be dope doing analysis on the largest time frame available.
Yeah. No, for sure.
waiting for weeks for a setup and the entry. Like they ain't gonna do nothing but definitely build all type of patience.
Oh yeah.
I wonder if they're gonna ever add commodities to Oanda anytime soon.
I'm not sure.
I can see that. Nice little sell off on Monday. Maybe create a could see a sell off on the daily potential maybe. Maybe push up, create a wick, fill it, bounce up. That was a strong rejection. Not gonna lie. Took out 6 days of price action and that one buy.
Yeah.
So you've been growing your testers, huh?
Yeah, man.
What's up?
Yeah. Putting a little bit, trying to get used to that.
Yeah. Long as it's nothing that's gonna affect your main balance,
Nope.
that's what a tester is. It's nothing to get excited about.
Right.
Hold on one more time, brother.
All right.
Ooh. No. All right, I'm back.
For sure.
You got any new music you've been listening to lately?
Um, let's see, Rock Marciano and the Alchemist. They dropped the album.
Hmm.
I'm on that. Uh, what else? What else? Um, I've been on some old Kid Cudi stuff. Just throwing
Nice.
that into the mix.
Nice. Nice.
But other than that, it's the typical chill wave stuff.
Right, right.
What about you?
Nothing too crazy. I mean, I still dabble in a lot of the old school stuff. Uh, I've been listening to like on Uber. My go-to little vibe is Tim's.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I be playing on Spotify and just let it run, and everybody be loving it.
Nice.
It's easy listening.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get on her.
Man, it's dope.
You got some bearish movement.
Yeah, I'm saying that. So based on how the full hour gonna close at this point,
Yeah,
I'm not even worried about the hour right now because they got a lot to do to break out of consolidation and retest,
true.
and that's at least 3 hours. So does your 4 hour charts look similar to mine, being that I got a different time zone?
Uh, yeah, it looks the same.
Looks the same. Okay.
Yeah, exactly the same.
Yeah. You ever heard of a dude named I think Stephen Lacey or Kevin Lacey?
Oh yeah, yeah. I've been. Yeah, I'm on him.
You on him?
Yeah,
Okay.
he fire.
Yeah. At first, when I started hearing this little song, I thought it was a little white dude on the cool.
Yeah, that dude dope.
Hmm.
So he got
Really?
a lot of like Tyler Creator influence
Yeah.
for
Who he
real.
with? Is anybody like found him, or he rolled with a certain type of clip?
I do not know.
Okay.
I do not know.
I don't know why, but I was getting some type of vibes as if old boy discovered him. Remember Drown?
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, I'm not sure.
It was just certain things that he said, the way he sung made me feel that way. Y'all ever drop y'all dogs off at the kennel? Like if y'all was to go out of town and didn't bring the dogs?
Uh-uh.
Never did that.
Nope. Amanda don't get down with that.
Yeah, we just did it.
Oh, how was he?
We don't know. We got to pick them up tomorrow because we came in too late for them to go get them.
Okay.
But it seemed cool when we dropped them off. He was chill.
Cool, cool.
So we'll find out.
That's what's up.
Too soon to tell, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, man, kick back.
Kick back.
What's happening right now is actually beautiful. So
Yeah. I mean, you overall just want to keep your eye on what are the continuing cycles on the forex pair you trade, because typically they all got the same cycles. You know, they either trending, they're doing some kind of reversal, or they're in consolidation.
facts.
You know, and you just gotta wait for those signs to show
True.
in the market, man. Because right now, you know, if you was a person that was looking at the 1 minute, I mean, it'll be forever setups, no
Right.
matter what. The market is never consolidating, nigga.
Facts.
Sometime this year, I'm gonna revisit the that auto trader bot I want to create. I didn't
You
really
said
get to invest.
sometimes next year.
Nah, this year I'm gonna try to get another person on it and assist with building it.
Okay.
Yeah, initial person we had, it was one of them situations where you get what you pay for. So I'm gonna go another route and get somebody a little bit more reputable, if you will.
I got you.
create a bot and call that bitch Poppy. Could be a breakout trading bot.
I like it.
You just catch
I
trades
like
that
it.
they pop out of consolidation. Yeah, that boy dad that called me talking about how I missed the live. He had said hit me talking about they won the lottery and the fact that I wasn't on the live, I don't get the money because everybody that was on the live was gonna get a piece of the money. That's how he broke it down to me.
Yeah, that sounds like him.
Right. I told him, I said, whoever get it, I could assist them with, how to invest the money, but that's good, man. I'm sorry I couldn't get in on it. It's my bad, fam. Catch the next one.
Thanks.
Well, last time you talked to that boy Ant.
I texted him, man, just to check on that. It was last week actually, just to see how he was doing.
Everything
Say he
good?
doing all right. Yeah, just switching up schedules, work schedules, and stuff like that. But he's always on the grind.
No, that's good.
I think that crypto class probably starting up soon. I think it's next month or something like that
Yeah, I
in
want to say you were
October.
saying October. Yeah,
So I'm sure you're just getting ready for that.
that's what's up. I'm excited to see what he learned from that, man,
Oh yeah.
because it's about to heat up again soon. I
Hmm.
can feel it. I know they
Yes.
had that Terra Luna had recoined or whatever you want to call it, created a new coin after that other one had crashed and failed or whatever, but
Yep.
it jumped 150%. I think Friday
Wow.
went from like some change to like $7.
Dang.
Yeah.
So yeah, people ate off of that one right quick.
Oh yeah. But that's all manipulation price jumps,
Hmm.
like every coin did in their first release.
True.
It'll all come back. And then the Ether's supposed to be finalizing their little merge to the better version.
Oh yeah, man. I think I'm gonna call it a night.
Yeah, bro.
But
Nah, it's pretty much wrap up time.
uh yeah, like I said, man. Just letting this next day, this daily candle right here go tell us a lot. So see what happens tomorrow morning and the rest of the day and rest of the week will be interesting as well. So we'll see.
Yep. We got that first piece of high news for US on Tuesday, so that's what we holding out for ultimately.
So yeah, we'll see.
All right, brother.
All right, man. Till then,
You have a great night, and I'll tap in with you in the morning.
you too, brother.
All
Y'all
right, bro.
peace out.
Peace.